audience.
Hello there.
Alright, gotta draw the 3 topics, and then I'll be talking about these 3 topics for a minute each.
Can I choose one?
First one, endangered species.
Dolphins.
Dolphins, okay. And we'll do swords. Ah!
I'm glad you chose swords.
Well, I didn't choose that, I just picked it.
I know,
Swords.
but it's a good...
First topic I'm going to talk about here is dolphins. So, first thing that I want to talk about here is about dolphins is there are several species of dolphins. One that comes to mind is the Amazon River dolphin. This dolphin is found, of course, in the Amazon River, and it is actually pink, unlike the normal dolphins that you are commonly seeing, which are probably the bottlenose dolphin, which is found off the coast of California, Catalina, Mexico, and the Pacific Ocean. A quick fact that you may not know, sharks and dolphins are not the bestest of friends. In fact, dolphins are the biggest enemy of sharks in the ocean. Not whales, not the orca, it's actually dolphins. Because dolphins actually hunt in parties and schools to absolutely demolish their target. It's kind of scary, but awesome at the same time. As well, dolphins are very docile creatures to us humans, as we can see them swimming with us and actually saving us from certain situations such as drowning. Yeah, dolphins are a really cool animal, and not just an animal, they're a mammal just like us. They need oxygen, they breathe. So, and that would also be why the dolphin is my favorite animal. Second topic today I'm going to talk about is swords. So swords have been historically known throughout the history of time to be known for strictly combat uses. And for these combat uses, one of these uses was chivalry. In the past times of medieval times, people used to duel with blades, swords, metal objects that were able to do bodily harm. And before the firearm was invented, that's how people chose to settle these disputes. My personal favorite was actually from Japan, the samurai sword or the katana. It is made from Damascus steel, which is a certain type of way to create a sword. Damascus is a way of layering steel over sometimes thousands of times to create a very powerful steel. This created a very powerful sword that the Japanese almost worshipped in a way. And to this day, a lot of people still do, which is why it is my favorite sword to this day. The third topic I'm going to be talking about today is endangered species. So, endangered species is a topic that is concerning to not just me, but to a lot of people, I would hope. And a lot of the driving forces that make these species endangered is things such as habitat loss or negligence in the environment. Some ideas of habitat loss can be overpopulation at the beach. Some birds that have been on the endangered species list live at the beach that we go to every day, we spend our time at, and these birds are slowly going extinct because of our population and our presence there. We're getting rid of their food sources, we're getting rid of their means of life in a way. And to me, that's upsetting. Recently, I just took an environmental class at Saddleback, and I learned a lot about endangered species. One that really came to mind was the white rhino, which might be extinct right now actually, but in general, rhinos are endangered species as a whole. And that actually hit me personally because as a young child and still now, my nickname has been Rhino, and I've always known they've been endangered species. I've always tried to do my best. If there's any charity or anything that I could do, I would always try to do something to help it. And endangered species are just insanely important to our environment in a way, because so many of these can prove helpful to our environment. They get rid of predators, they get rid of too many prey. When you keep on thinking about it, it's insane, and it's hard to grasp on how important endangered species are.